Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Nothing Ear 2 and removing them from the case to avoid accidental inputs. This protects drivers and sensors. Inspect each earbud for visible debris in the mesh and charging pins. Use a soft brush to sweep away loose particles, then position the earbud so the mesh faces down. Gravity helps dislodge dust. Once done, make sure to keep small tools handy because you'll need precise, gentle actions for the next steps. Now you focus on the speaker mesh and sensor rims. Brush in short, light strokes to move debris outward. Do not press hard, because pressure can damage the diaphragm. Next, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and wipe around the mesh edge to dissolve oils. Make sure the swab isn't dripping. If tiny particles remain, use a toothpick very gently at a shallow angle to tease them out. This preserves the mesh while clearing blockages. Once cleaned, wait a minute. Finish by reseating each earbud in the case and visually checking charging pins for residue. Dry any damp spots and wait for full evaporation. Then you test playback at low volume to confirm sound clarity and proper charging. If you notice muffled audio, unpair and reset the earbuds, then retest. This resolves software or connection-related problems. If cleaning didn't fix a persistent distortion or moisture exposure, stop and seek manufacturer support. Forcing further use risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.